Everyone thinks the best-selling accessories are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? When it comes to the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a lot of popular accessories look the same claims, same packaging. But if you look a little closer, the real value is in the details that actually improve your flight experience. Product number 1, Skyrite Anti-Glare Screen Protector. First up, the Skyrite Anti-Glare Matte Screen Protector. This $15 tempered glass protector caught my eye because it's specifically designed for the DJI Mini 4 Pro's RC controller and uses a frosted anti-glare layer. If you fly in bright sunlight and struggle with screen visibility, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9H hardness rating means it can handle drops and scratches from keys or rough handling in your bag. The 0.2 thickness keeps touch sensitivity sharp, and the electrostatic adsorption makes installation bubble-free, no messy liquids or alignment tools. With over 500 sold in the past month, it's clearly popular among pilots who fly outdoors. Now, some people might worry about reduced screen clarity due to the matte finish. Here's the thing though, yes, it's slightly less shiny than bare glass, but that's the whole point. The anti-glare effect actually improves visibility in direct sunlight, which is when you need it most. It's a trade-off that makes sense for real-world flying. This is perfect for you if you fly during the day, especially near water or snow where glare is intense. Skip this one if you mostly fly at dusk or indoors and want maximum screen brightness. At $15 for 2 protectors, it's a no-brainer for protection and usability. Product number 2, Arzroic RC2 Sun Hood Kit. Now, if the screen protector helps with glare, this next one takes it to another level, the Arzroic RC2 Protective Sun Hood Kit for $32. This isn't just a cover, it's a full setup with a foldable sunshade, screen protector, and neck lanyard. If you want hands-free flying and better screen visibility in harsh light, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The sun hood folds out to block overhead sunlight, turning your RC2 into a mini command center. The non-magnetic design won't interfere with signal transmission, and the heat dissipation vents prevent overheating. Plus, the included lanyard lets you set the controller down safely while adjusting settings or checking your phone. Over 500 buyers in the last month show it's a favorite for serious flyers. Now, some people complained about the bulkiness when folded. Here's the thing though, it's meant to be removed and stored separately, not left on during transport. Once you get used to taking it on and off, it's not a hassle. And the protection it offers for the screen and joysticks makes up for the extra step. This is perfect for you if you fly in bright conditions or travel often and want full controller protection. Skip this one if you only fly short sessions in shaded areas and don't need the extra gear. At $32, it's a solid investment for comfort and safety. Product number 3, Bechkim 32-pack propellers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for frequent flyers, the Bechkim 32-pack propellers for $23. These aren't OEM blades, but they're designed specifically for the Mini 4 Pro and Mini 3 Pro. If you crash often or want spares without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The low-noise design uses a painted orange tip instead of flexible rubber, reducing flight noise noticeably. They've been dynamically balanced to match original performance, and you get 32 blades, 48 screws, and 3 screwdrivers, enough for multiple replacements. With 400+ sold recently, it's clear pilots trust these for durability and value. Now, some people worry about non-OEM parts affecting flight stability. Here's the thing though, these have been tested to perform nearly identical to originals, and the included tools make installation easy. Just make sure to use the provided screws as they're sized correctly for the hubs. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or fly in tight spaces where crashes happen. Skip this one if you're doing professional shoots and want only DJI branded parts for warranty reasons. At $23, it's one of the best value accessory packs out there. Product number 4, Leicas Titan MM410 Hard Case. Now, if you travel with your Mini 4 Pro, this next one is a game changer. The Leicas Titan MM410 Waterproof Hard Case for $51. This isn't just a bag, it's a fully customizable IP67 rated case that fits your drone, up to 7 batteries, RC, and all accessories. If you want peace of mind when flying on the go, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The CNC-cut EVA foam holds everything snug, preventing damage during travel. The polypropylene shell survives drops, and the IP67 rating means it's waterproof and dustproof, ideal for beach or mountain trips. At 3.7 pounds, it's lightweight for its protection level, and 300-plus buyers confirm its reliability. Now, some people complain about the price compared to soft bags. If you've ever had a battery crack or gimbal jam from a bumpy ride, you'll appreciate the investment. Plus, it's case only, so you can organize it exactly how you want. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently or fly in rough environments. Skip this one if you only fly locally and carry everything in a backpack. At $51, it's a premium but justified upgrade for serious pilots. Product number 5, HiE RC16 Pack Propellers. Finally, the HiE RC16 Pack Propellers for $14. These are another third-party option, but with a key difference. The tips are made of TPU soft rubber, just like the originals. If you want safer, quieter flight with a lower upfront cost, this is worth a serious look. They're lightweight, aerodynamically efficient, and come with 24 screws and a screwdriver. With 300+ sold, it's a trusted, budget-friendly choice. Now, some people worry about long-term durability compared to OEM. Here's the thing though, for casual or beginner flyers, these hold up well. Just inspect them after crashes and replace if cracked. They're not meant for heavy professional use, but for most, they're more than enough. Skip this one if you need maximum performance for high-speed or windy flights. At $14, it's an affordable way to stay prepared without overspending. So there you have it, 5 accessories that actually improve your Mini 4 Pro experience. The Skyrite screen protector fights glare, the Arzroic hood adds comfort and protection, the Betchcam and HiE RC propellers offer great value for spares, and the Lycus case keeps everything safe on the go. Each solves a real problem, not just looks good on paper. Pick the ones that match your flying style and you'll get more out of every flight.